going to it. Yeah. Hey, how's it going? Sorry, I was just getting a text as it happened. Are you the queen of the castle?
For now.
For now? What does that mean? You're babysitting, breaking in? Oh, okay. He said both? Yeah. Is the homeowner here?
No, he passed.
Oh, no. Oh, no. How long ago did he pass? Oh, geez, I'm so sorry. Okay, well, that might explain a little bit. So we have like 5 other houses we have to stop by. I don't know. We get a lot of emails from the notices with the county. It looked like there were some issues with the bank. It probably has happened since April, I would assume. We dealt with a similar situation like a month ago. But they're basically put it up. We get the notices for all the different like divorce, probate, pre-foreclosure. So that looks like they had an upcoming like auction date for foreclosure. Yeah, for this property. Do you know who it got deeded to, like the house?
My mother.
Okay.
And his son. Not biological, but
His son?
my mom and him are not biological brothers and sisters, but his son, which is his what is it called?
Adopted.
All right, here is what we call in door-to-door breaking preoccupation. So if you are in sales, you've probably seen this. It just means someone that's in the house, they don't want to talk to someone at the door, they don't want to talk to a salesman, probably don't want to talk to someone about their foreclosure, obviously. But here's some key tips just to getting someone to talk to you longer, build some better rapport, be less confrontational. So if I'm knocking on a house, I'm not going to stand right up next to the door. I'm not going to face my shoulders facing the homeowner. That's very confrontational. I want to be very easygoing, almost like leaning back. So I'm going to knock on it. I'm going to scoot like 6 to 10 feet back. I might even lean up against the wall. I'm going to be looking at my iPad or maybe a briefcase that I have, right, with all the foreclosure notices. And that way, whenever they answer, I almost want to let them say something first rather than me just being like smiling and, ready for them to shut the door on me. So if I look busy, they look, curious because they're like, what is this guy doing? And then I can connect with them whenever I make eye contact. So I'm going to be facing this way again, step back a little bit. And the biggest thing is try to look for something in that, walkway, whether it's a college yard sign, a car, something that you can pick up on, that you can talk about and build some rapport rather than just talking about a foreclosure right off the back. Because if you can get them to talk about themselves, then they're going to be much more likely to listen to you. One big thing I love doing is I put my dogs on my phone screen. So if there's dogs come to the door, I'm going to start talking to them about their dogs. I'm going to get them, likable and bring that guard down right off the bat. Because if you can get their guard down, your likelihood of, making a friend and getting a sale is infinitely higher.